I'm Magick, and today I'm going to be talking and showing you how to conquer your fear of death. Hi. So in this video I am going to walk you through the opposite of the previous video, which was retaining the breath at the end of the inhale. So today we're going to go through the retention of the breath at the end of the exhale. So this is a slightly more advanced practice. So if you don't know, if you haven't looked at the previous video, go and check it out. Now this particular breath retention work is amazing, and what it does, it connects to your crown chakra in a way that connects you to everything, but also will basically conquer your fear of death. Because when you retain the breath at the end of the exhale, what you get, what comes up when you're doing that is that I must breathe, I must breathe, I must breathe. Yeah. So when you are working on suspending that natural impulse, what you're doing is it's like you are working your nervous system, yeah, to actually be able to sit in that space, which is the void space, without being worried about your next inhale. Okay, so like I say, this is a slightly more advanced practice, and I will be using Ujjayi. So if you don't know Ujjayi, there's the video. If you haven't looked at the video on how to breathe properly, please go and look at that. That's there, and it's also at the end of this video as well. So we will be using Mula Band as well for this particular breath work. So if you don't know Mula Band, there's the video. Go and check it out so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, right. So with this breath work, same as the one where you hold the breath at the end of the inhale, there is no, in this particular instance, as we're practicing, you don't have to count, you know, the amount of time you inhale and exhale. This is all about practicing that breath retention at the end of the exhale. So if you do want to work on lengthening the inhale and exhale, then you can certainly do that at the same time. But, you know, take it one step at a time. Start where you are. Okay. So I will be using Ujjayi for this particular breath work. So get yourself in a comfortable seated position. So whatever that is for you, get that done. You can ground before and after if you want to. So we're going to begin. So the eyes are closed. You can bring in crystals here as well if you want to. Maybe have the window open so you've got some nice fresh air coming through. So we shall begin. So we're going to breathe in. And then straight into the exhale. Then at the end of the exhale, we're going to pull up through Mula Band, and we're going to retain that breath. So we're going to suspend the breath for as long as is comfortable for you. And then when you're ready, release Mula Band and inhale. So the idea is that you are not grasping for that inhale. Okay? And you want to keep your body relaxed as well. Okay? So this is a really good exercise in not tensing up when you feel that you want to breathe in. Okay, little tip that yoga teacher from many years ago was taking us through when we're holding a pose is just do one more count and see how that feels. And then if you need to come out of what you're doing, then you can. If not, do another count, see how that feels. And you're checking in that feedback from your body mind. Okay, so we're going to breathe in. So we're going to do 3 of these, and then you can set that away and practice, because that's the thing with this work. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, are you ready? So close the eyes, get comfortable. So we're going to breathe in into the exhale, pull up, suspend the breath. And when you're ready, release Mula Band and inhale. Into the exhale. At the end of that exhale, pulling up, suspend the breath. And when you're ready, release Mula Band, inhale. Into the exhale. End of the exhale, pulling up, suspend the breath. And when you're ready, release Mula Band, inhale. And just come back to normal breathing. So that's the very basic mechanics of that. So when you get into it, you'll find that when you're in that void space where you're suspending the breath at the end of the exhale, is that you can explore that. Once you are comfortable with doing that and you can hold it for a length of time, you can explore that void space. And you can do that through bringing your attention up to your third eye. But obviously do that once you're familiar with this breath work, with this pranayama, okay? Because sometimes it can be like, oh, I've got to do that and then that and then that, and oh God, I can't do it all at once. But once you get familiar with this, then you can certainly bring your attention up to the third eye and explore the void space in that breath retention. Okay. So before I go, I just want to say we've got some really cool stuff that's on the way. If not on the way, the links are down below. And we are calling it Your Path to Self-Liberation, Your Roadmap to Self-Liberation, from Maya, which is the illusion, to Moksha, which is liberation. And there's a sign up, a free sign up that you can do, which is the notes from the video that I've already recorded And then if you want to pay for the packages, it'll be £19.71. You get all sorts of things in there. You get the notes, you get the video, you get a guided meditation, you get hypno meditations, you get some really cool graphics which you can print out and stick around your space. There's all sorts of stuff in the package. So you get for £19.71. So the links for that are below. Yeah, go and sign up, whether you want the free one or if you want to pay for the full package. That's entirely up to you. And also just a reminder to give this video a big thumbs up, yeah, if you enjoyed it. That just helps us to get our videos out to more people. Share it to anyone that you think might benefit from this. And also to remind you quickly that we are on MeWe, we are on Pinterest, we are on Soundcloud, we're obviously here on YouTube, and we're also on BitChute. And you can also go and visit us at our website, crystalsrockearth.weebly.com, and there's all kinds of things. I'm gradually building the blog and we're expanding the website slowly. But if you want to sign up for the healing work with sekhmets, then you can do that on the sekhmet page. It's free, and there is also a Weebly group that helps support that as well. Okay, so I'm going to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to say be fearless and stay witchy.